Hey, welcome back, and today I am making lemon and mango pie, and it's kind of a little twist to the key lime pie, for which I'm going to use some biscuit base and fill it with custardy delicious filling. So to start with the base, I have got some biscuits, and I've got 340 grams of biscuits. Now you could use hobnobs or you could use digestive, and because I couldn't decide which ones, I'm going to use a mix of both of them. So I'm going to get this in a bag and crush them to finely crushed. So we've got the right texture, and I'll put this in a bowl and add 160 grams of unsalted melted butter. Make sure it's not too hot, and we'll just give it a good mix. And once that is done, I'm just going to press it on loose bottom pie tin. I have got 22 centimeter wide tin. You could take smaller, bigger, deeper, however you want. And then I'm just going to press it very gently with the fingers, just making sure that it's gone to all corners and we've got a solid base and not going to have leaky holes in it. So this is going to go in a hot oven at 160 C for 10 minutes. So the biscuit base is out, and the key is to let it rest for 10 minutes. Don't put the filling straight away. So while we have got those 10 minutes, we are actually going to make the filling. I have got here 3 egg yolks, and I'm going to whisk it for 2 to 3 minutes. To this, I'm going to add a tin of condensed milk. Now this says 397 grams. I don't know why they couldn't just make it 400 grams. Anyway, so we're going to add a tin of this to our egg yolks. Again, whisk it for 2 to 3 minutes until it's nice and creamy. Now the flavors. So we have got 4 big lemons here, and I'm going to just grate in the zest of these 4 lemons into the mix. That is a good arm workout. See, I'm doing exercise videos and baking videos. 2 in 1. That's enough lemon. Next goes in the mango, of course. Now right now I have got some mango in the season. So I have got fresh mango pulp, which is around 2 mangoes. But if you are using tin pulp, that's absolutely fine. That's around 300 grams. And then again whisk it for 2 to 3 minutes. That is looking lovely. Now this is now ready to go into our biscuit base. We're going to pour it all in and then put it back in the oven at 160 C for roughly 15-20 minutes. Look at that. And that just slides off. Look at that. So I've got 300 ml of double cream, and I'm just adding a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of caster sugar to this, and I'm going to whisk it till soft peaks. And that cream just goes on top. Oh, good! I can't wait for my slice. Finishing with little pieces of pistachio. And of course, as a thank you from you to me, I'm going to enjoy this slice of mango and lemon pie. Oh. So it took 5 extra minutes than I thought. Instead of 15 minutes, it took 22 minutes to bake. So make sure you keep an eye on that pie when it's baking. Oh my God, it's so good. I'm in heaven. Oh my God. Oh, this is so good. The crust is delicious. It's got so much flavor from the hobnobs and the biscuits, and the mango filling is just so mangoey. It's fantastic, and just a hint of lemon. And I think this cream just balances it all. If you have got fresh mangoes at home, then I would just top it up. But I realize I've got none left in the fridge, so I just use some pistachios instead. Oh, I really, really do hope you guys are going to give this a go. Please do subscribe, leave a comment, like and share, and find me on Instagram, and come back next week for the brand new recipe.